Hello guys, this is Brad, and today's topic is when you have money, do you have to buy a house first or do you have to invest in stock? My answer, just buy a house with cash, full cash if you can. Why? Let me give you an example. I bought my house, it shows the 161,000, but actually it's 180,000. Neighbors are selling for 180,000, and I bought this house for 60,000 10 years ago, and I just made 120,000 out of nothing. Okay, and stock market, I can make money, but I have to try a lot of things every single day. For house, I don't have to anything, just to buy a house.